Good morning, children. Now we have to learn about the remaining part of the lesson, transport and communication. We have to learn or we have to study transport and communication. We have to learn. Now we have to study about air transport. Air. We have to learn or we have to study about air transport. In the beginning, air transport was in public sector only. In the beginning, air transport was there only in the public sector. Only government was undertaking air travel in the land of India. Only government was undertaking or only government was doing air transport in the land of India. But nowadays, government has given permission to private sector also. Jet Airways. Jet Airways, Paramount Airways and Sahara Airlines. These are the three major private sector areas in the field of air transport. Kingfisher also is the Kingfisher Airlines. Kingfisher Airlines also is a part of private sector airlines. 141 airports are there in the land of India at present. 141 airports are there in the land of India. 141 total. Those 141 airports are there. And 28 are international airports. 28 are international airports. 28 international airport is there, and 88 domestic airports are there. Eighty-eight domestic airports are also there. Domestic. 88 domestic airports are also there, and 25 military is there. 25 military airports are there. 25 military airports are used for military coaching or military purposes, or for defense purpose. 25 airports are there. What I told, we are studying about air transport. We are studying or we are learning about air transport. What is that? In the beginning, not now, only public sector airports, only public sector aeroplanes were there. In the beginning, air transport was in the hands of public sector only. In the beginning time, or during the beginning days, air transport was only under the control of private field or private sector. Air transport was completely under the control of government sector. But nowadays, private airlines are also there. Jet Airways is there. Jet Airways. And Paramount Airways is there. Sahara Airlines is there. And Kingfisher Airlines also is there. Nowadays, Government of India is encouraging what they are doing. Nowadays, Government of India is encouraging private field also to work in the field of air transport. 141 airports are there in India. 28 international airports are there. 88 domestic airports are there. 25 military airports are there in the land of India. Then communication. We have to know what is the meaning of communication. We have to know. What is communication? Transfer of ideas from one place to another place is known as communication. I and you people, what we are doing? I and you people are transferring ideas from one place to another place through different methods. Through different methods, we are transferring our ideas from one place to another place. We have different methods. We do have different methods of transferring our ideas from one place to another place. We are using phone, land phone is there. Then we do have mobile phones. That is clear. And we do have internet facilities. Post office department we are depending. We are depending on post office department. Postal and telegraph department we are depending to transfer our ideas from one place to another place. Ideas we are transferring. So, what are the importance of communication? How many importance are there for communication that we have seen? Importance or value of communication. First one is transfer of ideas. Quick transfer. Quick transfer of ideas. Quick. What is that? When there is a presence of communication system, ideas can be transferred from one place to another place quickly. Quick transfer of ideas. Quick. Sudden or speedy transfer of ideas. Sudden or speedy transfer of ideas are possible from one place to another place. Quick transfer of ideas can be possible. What is the meaning? During the olden days, communication sector was not at all developed during the olden days. Communication sector or communication field was not at all developed during the olden days. It was not at all developed. But now when there is a presence of modern communication system, ideas can be transferred from one place to another place easily. Quick transfer of ideas. Quick transfer of ideas are possible from one place to another place. Quick or easy transfer of ideas are possible from one place to another place through communication. Ideas we can send from one place to another place through communication methods. Then government policies. Government policies. Government policies. From time to time, government is making their policies. From time to time, government is making their own policies. Government do have their policies. Government do have their policies. Then what is that? In order to inform the people regarding government policies, communication system is having its own role. In order to inform the people regarding government policies, what is that? Communication system is having its own importance to inform government policies. Imagine that communication system is not there. Imagine that communication system is not there. If communication system is not there, what will be there? We cannot inform the people regarding the policies of the government. Since communication system is there, we can inform the people regarding the policies of the government. People can react to the policy of the government through the communication system. Natural problems. Natural problems. Natural problems. So many natural hazards will happen. So many natural problems will develop. Natural problems. Earthquake may be there, Bhukam. And tsunami may be there, tsunami. Jwalamuki, volcano, eruption may be there. Drought, Varugana may be there. And flood, Pranaya may be there. War may be there, war. During all these times, communication system is helping the government to communicate ideas from one side of India to another side of India. So communication is having its own importance. Then world problems. World problems. What is that? In order to know about world problems, what is that? In order to know about world problems, what is the meaning? In order to know about world problems, communication system is really helping us. Inside the world, different parts of the world, different problems are going on. In different sides or in different parts of the world, different problems are going on. To know about different problems, what is that? To know about or to understand about different problems, what is that? To know about or to understand about different problems, what is that? Communication is really helping us. Personal. See, another important specialty means, again I will tell you once more, listen here. Communication system of India, communication. What is the meaning of communication system that we have to think? Communication means transfer of ideas from one place to another place is known as communication. Transfer of ideas from one place to another place is known as communication system. That is communication. Then, what are the importance of communication? What are the advantages of communication that we have to think? Quick transfer of ideas from one place to another place. It is possible. During the olden days, our communication methods were too old, very primitive. With the arrival of communication system, we can transfer ideas from one place to another place very easily. Government policies can be transferred from the government to the common people through communication method. Natural problems are those problems which are occurring in the nature. Natural problems are not at all created by us. It is occurring, it is happening in the nature. During the time of natural problems, communication facilities are really helping the people. During the time or during the days of natural problems, communication facilities are helping the people. For example, flood, pralaya. For the last 2 years, you people had seen what is the meaning of pralaya. During the time of pralaya, flood, Government of Karnataka gave correct information to the police people, military, home guards, and to the people regarding what should be done during the time of flood. And you have seen clearly drought, Barugana also. During the time of drought or Barugana also, government is giving correct information to the people regarding what they have to do during the time of drought. Government is saying correct information to revenue officers, police, military, paramilitary force and home guards regarding what should be done by them during the time of drought. Then, Bhukam. During the time of a Bhukam earthquake, government is giving correct information to the health department, revenue department and military and police regarding what they have to do during the time of earthquake. Government will ask the military force, health department, etc. to arrange temporary settlement for those people who are affected by earthquake. Medicine, food, clothes, everything will be provided to the people by the government during the earthquake time, during the time of earthquake. There is another section. And during the time of Jwalamukhi, volcano eruption, government will give correct information to the health department, government officers, revenue department, military, police, etc. regarding what they have to be done during the time of volcanic eruption. This is possible because of the presence of which one? This is really possible because of the presence of which one? Communication facilities. This is possible because of the presence of communication facilities. During the time of tsunami, what is that? During the time of tsunami, correct information can be given to the people and government officers by the government through communication channels. World problems, what is that? There are so many world problems in different parts of the world. To give information about world problems to the common people, communication is really helpful. People will know about are the importance of communication. Types of communication we have today. Types. Types of communication we have today. We are using personal communication. Personal communication system is the personal. We are using mobile phones. Personal communication. Mobile phones. We do have land phones. We used to use these two things for our personal communication. For the purpose of conveying our messages. For the purpose of conveying our messages, we are using personal communication methods. Another one is mass communication. Mass communication methods are mass. What are the mass communication methods that we are thinking? What is personal communication? Personal communication is only for the communication of the personal affairs of the person. But mass communication means it is for a group. Mass communication is for a group. What are the mass communication methods that we are studying? Post office. Post office is a mass communication method. Post office. Post office is not for one person. Post office is for a group of people. Post office. Post office is for a group of people. It is not for one person. Group of people are conveying their ideas and messages through which one? Through post office. So post office has been known as or has been considered as one of the most important form of communication. Then telecommunication. Telecommunication. Telecommunication methods are telegraph, telephone, fax. All these are known as telecommunication methods. Before the arrival of mobile phones, what was that? Before the coming of mobile phones, we were mainly depending on post office, telephone, land phone, telegraph, fax, etc. With the arrival of mobile phones, the importance of these fields has been reduced. Now another mass communication is known as radio. Radio is another important field of mass communication. Radio is known as an important mass communication field. Radio is an important mass communication field. What is special to radio? Through radio we can hear sound. It is an audio visual field. Audio. Video not that we can hear. We can listen songs. news bulletins will be there. Other programs also will be there in the radio. News bulletin will be there. Then, what will be there? News bulletin will be there. Songs will be there. Storytelling methods will be there. And other programs also will be there in radio. But radio is having one demerit. The most important demerit of radio is that it is only audio is there, video is not there. But before the arrival of audio visual aids, radio had its own importance. Now another one is known as television. Television is an important audio visual aid. Television overcome all the demerits of radio. Radio do have only audio effect is a radio. But in television, what is that? Both audio and video is there. We can see and but we can hear also. We can see. At the same time, we can hear also. That is known as specialty of television. Nowadays, throughout the world, people are using television to see and hear what is going on in the world. Newspaper. Newspaper is an important mass communication method. Newspapers are of different types. Regional newspapers are there which are published in regional languages. And national newspapers are which are published in Hindi or in English. All the newspapers are covering important incidents regarding what is going on in the world. So, newspapers are also part of mass communication method. Satellites, what is the meaning of satellites? We have sent so many artificial satellites to the space. They are sending pictures to us. You might have seen that at the end of all the news bulletins, climatic reports are there. Nowadays, our climatic reports are very clear. During modern days, it was wrong. Nowadays, if the government is telling that, or if weather report is telling that there is a possibility of a rain in southern part of India, rain will happen without any doubt. Or if the report is telling that there is a possibility of flood in northern side of India, flood will be there, no doubt. If it is saying that at the northeastern states of India, there is a possibility of drought, drought will happen, no doubt, because all the informations we are getting from satellites, and satellites and computer networks are there nowadays. We are living in an era, or we are living in a period of computer explosion. In this time, satellite pictures and computer informations are having more and more importance. See, dear children, once more I will tell what I told you. Communication system. We should know, I and you people should know what is the meaning of communication system. What is communication? We should know. Transfer of ideas from one place to another place is known as communication system. That is the meaning of the word communication. We are transferring our ideas from one side of the world to another side of the world. Now we have seen communication revolution in the world. By sitting in one corner of the world, we can understand what is going on in another part of the world. By sitting in one corner of the world, we can understand what is going on in another part of the world. There is speciality of communication revolution. What are the important types of communication? First one is personal communication. Person. Connected to a person, connected to an individual person. Land phones, mobile phones, etc. are a part of personal communication. They are conveying or they are transferring the personal ideas of one person from one person to another person. Mass communication methods. Mass means group of people. Mass communication and personal communication are different from one another. Mass communication methods. Mass communication methods. What is the meaning of this one? Then we will think. Mass. Communication facilities which are made for a group of people are known as which one? Mass communication methods. Mass group. Mass communication methods. These mass communication methods are not for one person. It is for a group of people. First one is post office. Post office. Post office is a mass communication method. Post office is a mass communication method. Post office. Before the arrival of computer technology, we were depending on post offices. Post offices. We were depending on post offices before the arrival of computer revolution. We are depending on post offices. That is a reality. Post offices are sending letters from one side to another place. Post offices are engaged in the field of telegram activities. So, during the beginning time, post offices were the only mass communication methods. Second one is telecommunication method. Telecommunication, telegraph, fax, etc. are coming under the category of telecommunication method. Radio. You may not have used radio according to your age. Your age may be 15 or 16 only. I have used or I had used radio for so many years before the arrival of computer technology, before the arrival of television. Radio is having one disadvantage. Radio is covering only audio elements. We can hear through radio, but video is not there. Only audio is there. Video is not at all there. That is known as radio. That is the problem of radio. But for so many years, people were using radio programs. We were able to listen songs, radio songs. Feature programs, sound of films, Shabda sound of films. Then we were able to hear other cultural programs from radio. Then next one is television. Television removed all the problems of radio. Television really wiped out, removed or swallowed all the problems of radio. What were the problems of radio? Nowadays only. What were the problems? In radio, video was not there. We were simply hearing sound. But Television removed that problem. Television removed those problems. In television, we are able to hear and see the program. Now, people in different parts of the world are using television programs, or they are watching television programs. 48 hours program is there in television. 48 hours. We can select any channel from hundreds of channels. Newspaper. Newspaper is another important mass media. Newspaper. What is the meaning of this one? Newspapers are of different types. Newspapers which are published in regional languages. Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi. Languages are so many are there. In these languages, regional newspapers are there. Regional newspapers are explaining problems of the world through regional language. People can easily read and understand what is there in the newspaper. National newspaper which are published in Hindi or English. So, what is that? Newspapers are published not for one person. Newspapers are published for so many people at a time. National news, international news, regional news, etc. are explained in the newspapers. Then satellites and computer technology satellites. We are sending artificial satellites to space. Those satellites are giving correct information to the scientists on the earth. Nowadays, at the end of every newspaper, every news bulletin in TV channel, we can hear and see weather forecast. They may tell. Within 2 days, powerful wind or cyclone will happen in some parts of Karnataka. That may give information. Correctly, it will happen because the information is given by satellite pictures. Otherwise, they may tell within 48 hours, powerful rain will happen in some parts of North India. Rain will happen because we are getting information through satellite pictures. So, nowadays satellite pictures and computer information are giving more and more information to the people of the world. Dear children, you watch this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you please call me. Thank you.